Hello, this is Sean Matthews for Object-Oriented Programming. This is Week 10's homework assignment. We're now starting to put together the Enigma machine that we've been working on a little bit here and there. I did make all of my screens for it, and I thought the best thing to do now would be to get them all to link and communicate with each other, which I finally did do. I was trying to decide if I was going to make a main py file or a driver. Keep the driver. I decided to go ahead and keep the driver as my main, for lack of better words. Inside of here, I figured out how to get the main menu to work. I then had to figure out how to get the welcome to screen to work, and then switch to the main. Looking online at other code that exist out there, I've seen people were using something called a while statement. So I ended up using this here to keep it live without it actually ending. It took me a while to figure out how to get every subsequent screen to appear after the main menu screen. I originally had my if statements outside of the while loop, and that simple mistake made it very maddening. But when I finally got those to work, it took a little bit of time. I figured out how to get one of them to work properly. And I was doing the print statement here, so it prints when you're going to go back to the main menu. I saw that from the video demonstrations on making screens. However, I do notice that this actually takes up some space in the command prompt, so that wasn't going to work properly for me. I might have to change that up, and I'll show you an example of what I mean, what it's doing. So I went ahead and got it set up for my welcome screen. Transitions to the main menu. In the main menu, you can choose A to get information about the application, B to go to the encryption screen, C to get the decryption screen, and then lastly, I added Q to go to a quit screen or a goodbye screen. And I will show what this looks like. Let's see here. So from here, I will run driver.py. When it first comes up, it is removing all the extra spaces and such, but I think because I'm doing the press enter to continue print, it's actually pushing my screen up a little bit. So I don't know if I need to change that and just somehow remove the text into the program, or maybe reduce the size of my program lines that it uses anyway. So I'll just press enter to continue. Cleared the screen. Now it's actually in the main menu part. Here I have my list of options that I wanted to have for it, and I have in state make a selection from the above. So if I went ahead and did A and hit enter, up comes the information screen, basically explaining a little bit about Enigma machine, just a little gobbledygook here to kind of explain it. So then I'll press enter to return to the main menu. Now I'll do B to go to the encrypt message. Within the encrypt message, I have the option to press enter to go back to the main menu. So when I press enter, it'll go back to the main menu again. Same thing with the decrypt. I'll hit enter. Takes me to the decrypt screen. I'll press enter for that. Brings me back to the main menu. And then lastly, the quit screen or the goodbye screen will break this loop of going back to the main menu. So I'll hit enter. It'll say, thank you for using this program. Press enter to quit. I hit enter. And now I've looped out of the program. And that is what I managed to work and get accomplished today. Thank you.